Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to post photos on Threads. Maybe you have captured some amazing images and you want to share them with your followers. So today I'm going to show you how to post photos on Threads. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this post icon at the bottom center of the screen that looks like a pen and paper. Here, you can now start creating a post. Now, to add a photo to your post, simply tap on this paper clip below the text input field. In this gallery, choose the photo that you want to post. For example, I want to post this photo, so simply tap on it. Also, you can choose multiple photos if you want. Once you are done choosing, tap on Done at the top right corner. Next, you can add a caption to your photos to give it context or express your thoughts. Type in your caption in this text box provided. Once you are now satisfied with your caption, you can now tap on this post option. After that, you now have successfully posted photos on Threads. Your photos will now be visible to your followers on Threads. There you go. If you wanted to know how to post photos on Threads, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to post photos on Threads, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.